Hello, my sisters.
Well, today,
Give your sister a dress model. Haha, this is a dress made of fabric.
linen or khaki.
All right, it's going to have a bottle of zippers here. Well, I'll have a piece on the hips and in the front.
This back is my back.
It's like wearing pants and trousers, but this dress will be a wide one. Then we will sew this style with linen,
Or by khaki.
or by the cloth of your trousers. Now, invite the whole family.
Go into the design with me. This model is,
I'll take the length as equal to the again. Ankle ha. Here you will get a measure according to the ankle length. Now I'll have a road. This is what I used to paint. For the waist, I'll take the waist. Divide by 4 that you add. Divide by 2 is to sides. My waist is 6, 4, 4, 4 plus 2, I'm 18. So, starting out here, you're going to be 18.
then
I'll split it in half so I can take the spot later. Then I'll lower myself, start from here. That's about 18 gasoline. This one does not include the back. If you have a back, you will add a 3 centimeters of gasoline back is really 21.
then I will.
Down is 21. Take the horizontal line
And
here.
this
dress is for high backs. Then here I draw the back. Come down and give me a part. And then we're going to take the big board on the back,
Then
which
the
is
hip.
3 inches.
We're
We're going to count down from here. And then here we're going to have ass to ass. Divide by 4 sisters plus 1. And by 80 divided by 4 plus 1, we get 21. A line is 21. Then I'll connect this part here. Then you will have the form of a dress. Located here. Then, I split this part into earlier. You're going to draw a bend.
This bend counts.
Your back is a long one. It's going to be 12
when
to
you
14.
cut the back off.
Come on, let's go. The middle part of the back. And then, well, we'll have this as the midpoint. The middle point is connected. From this point in the middle, you will step back, give me 5. Then, 5%. You will start from the back position. I went down the slope for 11. 11 gasoline. So we're going to build a perpendicular line like this, and here across a street like this. There you are, if you are not familiar. You will back here by 2 inches. Then I can rotate this curve. I can turn this curve in a while. Then you will open up for yourself this distance, so that we're going to fit the layered part of the body. Okay, but this is what I painted for the whole body first.
Body later, I will.
Cut that stack separately. I want to stop for a moment here. In the case that you have a different waistline, for example, this model is 6 inches. You have a 70. Instead of 70, you divide by 4. Here, your ass is 80.
My son's wife is 80.
For example, your ass is
Then
100.
we take 100
divided by 4.
And I'm
going to replace these numbers. And the other one is the lower part of the butt here. Get your ass down, people from high
6
places.
feet,
You take 18. From 6 to 7, you take 19. For a person who is over 6 feet 7, I will take 20. Remember these 3 numbers.
Then I added the back.
We will get the lower part. Note that now the first part is done. So we'll start with the back. After that, you will go from this road. Up here is 2 inches. It's 2 inches up from the horizontal line. And then you're going to build a perpendicular
From this
line.
to inch line,
We build it like this.
it stops perpendicular.
Then we'll be able to draw the back body. And the ass behind it gets bigger. But body before is a gasoline. And I'll connect from this road. I connect raw. Then you'll cut along the red line. Then we'll get the back. And now I'm going to cut it. I cut this pattern from the front to the back. You will cut it like this.
I cut along the red line.
Here's the red line.
Down below, ladies.
At the bottom, you open the piece up here, raha.
I cut it down below.
Please note that I will cut it down, not even if it's hard to cut. Then we'll make a line from this road. If it's going to be hard, we'll put it like this.
Then we go
to hide the flanks from front to back. Then when you go, if we can seal it like that, we'll reopen it, and we flip this part out. Then, if you turn it over, you will naturally cut it. I'm going to do this live. And then we'll get a back body. And you guys just drew this part.
Remember this part, we will.
Let's build a perpendicular line back in here.
Perpendicular roads in ha.
This line is perpendicular.
And then we'll draw.
The back is bagasoline and from here you split it in half. We draw straight down to 12. Then we'll get a back. And this bend part of the SAO body is going to be the SAO body.
Behind the sister multiply 2.
And this position here is where we're going to be. Check the raindrop zipper if it's the back. If you don't check the zipper, you should press it. Cut this road and we're lucky to have it hugged. As for the body first, we will check the zipper.
We still cut it off.
This part lets our waist wear it. It doesn't have an open back when we sit. Then we're done with the back. And now I'm going back to the front.
The previous body is here.
Here, we'll get the first towel.
Cut this way.
And then cut this way and here. Then we'll cut this road off.
And cut off Russ' back. We cut the back first.
Then there's this back. There's no Ben. You put this back in. And then this way, you're going to cut the curve.
That substance in.
Then surely this you have to disintegrate.
You've
been going straight since yesterday. That, when you cut it out, this is here.
Consider the sample again.
There are some folding parts here. Here, I see that there is a 2x4 for PCS palletizing section. And now I'm going to stack each glass like 2. One glass, it's 2 inches apart. And its horizontal magnitude is also 2 inches.
Buh.
Four pieces like this. It's right there in the
At
piece.
the top
right here in this position. Is that we already have this curve. So after you finish cutting it, we'll put it back. Then when you are regular, you will use a pen. Let's map the part of the curve.
I cut off the rest.
Then cut off the leftovers from here. Then you want the tongue. How much wider is your bottom?
Yes, you will.
Cut the way down here. That's according to the creek. Then this road, if we sew it in, it'll stay like this. Then when lucky. So it's going to have this pleated line on the side. And below this line, after you cut it, you put it. It's back. So back to the line for me. And we'll cut. Let's cut a line from the previous one here. Then we're going to be sharpening Finland more than before. With this previous body, here it is. Remember, we will get the part 2. Zipper. So that's when we cut. If we sew it, it's the same as the zipper. This is the back you have to leave. And here you go down to this big map. Then you take me. I measured it correctly. The size of this table, let's say you're squared. 200 yards in length, you take it down. Let me stay here from 12 to 15. I'll take 12 here, 15. Sometimes
you'll
it's
get
a
the
little
part.
long. The round baguette is here. Then we'll cut the baguette round. We put the zipper in and the double baguette is over there.
We investigate.
Then we can complete this template. I just finished sharing my feet. This dress wishes you success.
If you don't know how,
please comment on how this dress looks.
Go
below 10 comments. I will show you how to sew on the fabric. Please watch and remember to like me.
Thank
you. Hi. See you later.